Toomuch Films!
Are you hungry?
Yeah!
We specialize in wiener.
Yeah, I like wiener. I like wiener.
I'm hungry for a wiener. Right now, for only $1, try one of our specialty dogs.
The Great Dane, the Twin Dog, the Breakfast Dog, the Toddler Dog, the Brokeback Dog, the Lady Dog.
That's some good wiener.
Add fries, make it a combo meal. Add a toy, make it a Happy Meal.
All for just $1. That's some cheap wiener.
Wiener! Yeah, I like wiener.
Come to the doghouse. Put some hot dog in your mouth. You thought I was gonna say wiener, didn't you?
Yeah!
Toomuch Films!
Toomuch Films, yeah!
Toomuch Films.
Toomuch Films!
Toomuch Films.